Intel Core or streamlined mid-range consumer workstation and enthusiast computer central processing units marked by Intel Corporation. These processors displaced the existing mid to high-end Pentium processor at the time of their introduction, moving the Pentium to the entry level. Identical or more capable versions of Core processor are also sold as Xeon processor for the server and workstation markets. Intel Core logo since 2020. General information launched January 2006. Marketed by Intel. Designed by Intel. Architecture x86 x86. Core Nehalem, Westmere, Sandy Bridge, Oswell, Broadwell, Slay Lake, Whiskey Lake, Coffee Lake, Willow Cove. Core mainstream 210 HEDT up to 18. Brands name Core, Core 2, Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, Core i9. History predecessor Pentium. As of June 2017, the lineup of Core processors includes the Intel Core i3, Intel Core i5, Intel Core i7, i9 along with the X series of Intel Core CPUs. First generations Nehalem microarchitecture. With the release of the Nehalem in November 2008, Intel introduced a new naming scheme for its core processor. They are the variants Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, but the name no longer corresponded to specific technical features like the number of cores. Instead, the brand is now divided from low level through mid-range to high-end performance, which corresponded to 3, 4, and 5 stars in Intel processor rating, following on from the entry-level Celeron 1-star and Pentium 2-star processors. Core i3. Intel introduced the Core i3, the new low end of the performance processor line from Intel following the retirement of the Core 2 brand. The first Core i3 processor were launched on January 7, 2010. The first Nehalem-based Core i3 was Clarkdale based with an integrated GPU and 2 cores. The same processor is also available as Core i5 and Pentium with slightly different configurations. The Core i3 3xxm processor are based on Arendelle, the mobile version of the Clarkdale desktop processor. They are similar to the Core i5 4xx series but running at lower clock speeds and without turbo boost. According to an Intel fact, they do not support error correction code memory. According to motherboard manufacturer Supermicro, if a Core i3 processor is used with a server chipset platform. Code name, brand name list. Clarkdale Core i3 4MB LGA 1156 TDP 73 input-output bus direct media interface. Arendelle Core i3 codes to L3KG 3MB 35 watt integrated GPU 18 watt. Core i5. The first Core i5 using the Nehalem microarchitecture was introduced on September 8, 2009 as a mainstream variant of the earlier Core i7. The Linefield Core i5 processors having an 8MB L3KG or DMI bus running at 2.5 GTS and support for dual channels DDR3, 800 1066 1333 memory and hyper threading disabled. the same processor with different sets of features, hyper-threading and other clock frequencies enabled or sold as Core i7 8XX Xeon 3400 series processor, which should not be confused with high-end Core i7. Intel Core i7 as an Intel brand name applies to several families, desktop and laptop 64-bit x86 and 64 processor using the Nehalem, Westmere, Sandy Bridge, Ivy Bridge, Oswell, Broadwell, Skylake and Kaby Lake microarchitectures. The Core i7 brands target the business and high-end consumer markets for both desktop and laptop computer, and is distinction from the Core i3 entry-level consumer, Core i5 mainstream consumer and Xeon server and workstation brands. Intel introduced the Core i7 name with the Nehalem-based Bloomfield quad-core processor in late 2008. In 2009, new Core i7 models based on the Linfield desktop quad-core model based on the Arhandle dual-core mobile processor Intel processor rating. In each of the first three microarchitecture generations of the brand i7 as family member using two discretion level, for example LGA 1156 and LGA 3066. Core i7 is a successor to the Intel Core 2 brand.